In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MIDI keyboard to Waveform. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top here and you want to click on Settings. And from here, as you can see, it says MIDI devices. You want to click on that, and then from here, as you can see, this is going to be turned on, which is called Auto Scan for new MIDI devices. And of course, you can set every how often it scans. So I'm just going to leave it at 4 seconds, which is default, and you can go and scan for new MIDI devices now. So what you have to do is basically just plug in your MIDI keyboard, click on over here, and you should be able to then find it over here somewhere, okay? Now, of course, you could also select if you want to use your computer keyboard for MIDI input as well, which I have enabled. And down here where it says MIDI input devices, make sure that's enabled as well. If it says disabled, click on disabled over here, and now it's gonna become enabled, okay? Now from here, of course, if you click on that, you'll be able to see you can also create a new virtual MIDI input if you wanna. Click on over here and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna go MIDI 1 and click on create, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to give you a new one as well, okay? And of course, if you connect your MIDI device or MIDI keyboard, it's going to be somewhere over here in the list. You'll be able to pick it and of course enable it and use it from there. That's how to connect a MIDI keyboard. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.